Artificial intelligence has been making the waves across various industries, and trading is no exception. AI offers a range of tools that can potentially give traders a much needed edge. But how effective is AI really? What's up everyone, and welcome back to the 5ers YouTube channel. This is where we not only give you access to capital to trade, we also teach you the best techniques for making sure that you stay consistently profitable. And today we're diving into an exciting topic. Can AI help us become better traders? In this video, I'll be exploring the potential of using artificial intelligence in trading, using ChatGPT as my personal trading assistant. But instead of focusing on technical analysis, we're going to see how AI can help with trading psychology. Today, we'll explore the different ways to see how it can help us improve our trading discipline and mindset. Alright, let's set up ChatGPT as our trading assistant. I'll begin by typing in my very first prompt. I want you to act as my personal trading coach and assistant. I will give you the details of my trading system as well as my daily trading routines and pre-trade checklist. Your main job is to focus on trading psychology, helping me stay emotionally balanced. Now that the AI understands its role, it's time to give it the right information. For the second prompt, I'm going to use this. Before I enter a new trade, this is what I want you to ask me. Is the trade according to the weekend trade plans? Have you checked the economic news calendar? Have you meditated today? And how are you feeling? Analyze your emotions to make sure there are no exaggerated emotions that could have a negative effect on your trading decisions. The reason for this prompt is simple. I want to be able to tell it that I'm about to enter a trade. It's then going to ask me these simple questions. The questions are designed to help me understand what's most important when it comes to things like managing my emotions and making sure that I'm balanced mentally. And this is just one example of a prompt you can use. When you're playing around with this, it's important to add things that is important to you. Let's try it out and I'll show you what I mean. I just got to my office and I'm about to pull up the charts.
Or you pull up the charts and start trading. Make sure you are in a calm and balanced state mentally. Now might be a good time to meditate for a few minutes. Remember what's important today. The very best trades are of interest to you. Market will always be there tomorrow, so there's no need to stress. If you can't find a good trade, simply wait. Sometimes the trade not taken is the best trade.
And as you can hear, it knows about my pre-trade routines and makes sure to ask me about it. I just saw an interesting trade here and I think I'm about to take it.
Let's go through the checklist. 1. Is this trade according to the weekend plan? 2. Check the economic news calendar. 3. Meditated today. 4. How are you feeling? Any exaggerated emotions? Remember, if you're stressed or unsure, it's okay to step back. The market will always be there.
I'm sure you can already understand the power of this. It's like having your own personal trading coach sitting right next to you, repeating important things about your trading, things that you might otherwise have forgotten or ignored. And you can also give it information about your trading system and ask it questions about that. Remind me about the core principles of my trading system.
Base every trade on a high time frame level from your weekend plan. Use the 4-hour or 1-hour chart to find trending markets or break of structures. Enter on a break and retest with perfect horizontal levels. Aim for a 0.5R or higher risk to reward ratio. Set a wide stop loss to handle volatility and allow for structure breaks. If stressed or confused, or if it takes more than a couple of minutes to find a setup, move on. Keep it simple. Advanced setups are likely not good setups. Remember, the market will always be there. If you can't find a good setup, take a break and come back tomorrow.
If you have a more technically advanced system, you can ask specific questions about technical analysis. Let's give it a try. I'm about to take a trade. What are some of the most important technical aspects of my trading system?
Trade needs to be according to the daily trend. Stochastic's RSI needs to be below 30 when going long and above 70 when going short. Entry needs to happen within the reload zone. Price should bounce on the 20 EMA at the time of entry. Entry triggers are either an engulfing candle or a pin bar.
And there you have it. We've explored how AI can be an important tool in enhancing your trading psychology and routine. It's like having your own personal trading coach by your side, ensuring that you stay disciplined and emotionally balanced. From reminding us about our pre-trade routines and keeping our emotions in check before entering a trade, it can be a really powerful assistant in your trading journey. But remember, the prompts and routines that we've discussed today are just the beginning. You will have to customize them to fit your own unique trading style and needs. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the 5ers YouTube channel. We are committed to bringing you the best techniques and strategies to help you become and stay consistently profitable. And if you have any questions or any topics that you would like us to cover, you can drop them in the comments below. We love to hearing from you, and we will create videos to address your specific questions. Thank you for joining me here today. Remember to keep working on that mental edge. See you in the next video.
Hi guys, so thank you very much for watching the video. Now make sure you like and subscribe, and most of all, go into the YouTube and check our other content that we provide here at the 5ers. We'll see you in the next one.